Okay lads, happy Friday. This is 7D question 7, just a query about it, so let's go. This is the one I gave you a clue on, and it's the one I probably anticipated you having difficulty on, because we've got a collision at a funny angle, okay? Now it's given in the question that the center of this one is in line with the bottom of that one, okay? So at the point of collision, to get the angle, which is 30, we just kind of play it out. This will be r, this will be radius and radius, so 2r, okay, so we get 30 there. That's the first part of the question. Hopefully you get your head around that, right? So now we've got the angle sorted, this is what's happening at the point of collision. So what we're going to do is we're going to just twist it around to suit ourselves. Let me just make this work for me. Right, so I'm going to call this line my I-axis. Okay. So we know this is 30. We know this is 30. So this is 2u sine 30. This is 2u cos 30. Let me color coordinate here now. Go red. This is for minus 4u cos 30 minus 4u sine 30. Negative because we're going against the positive. Okay, so I'll leave that there and I'll see if I can set up here. My page is going to be funny, but it doesn't matter. So if we go into our setup then, before, mass, after. Okay, so 2m and m, don't we? This one's 2m. That's m. So 2u cos 30 is root 3u, isn't it? So u root 3I plus uj, okay, because it's half, sine 30 is a half. Okay, the j, so pi afterwards, plus uj, because the j component doesn't change because we've taken this as our I-axis. Similarly, when you work out the other one, it becomes 2u root 3I minus 2uj. Then we have qi, q is the unknown, minus 2uj. Okay? So I'm going to put my principle of conservation of momentum in play here now, looking at just the I components. So before I've got 2m times u root 3 plus m times minus 2u root 3 is equal to 2m times p plus m times q. So you see then the m's can go, these cancel out, don't they? 2u root 3 minus 2u root 3, so we end up here with 2p plus q equals 0. Okay, just going to go down this way. Next will be the Newton's law of restitution. So speed after over speed before is equal to minus e. Remember that? So the speed, so p minus q, all p minus q over u root 3 minus 2u root 3 is plus 2u root 3 is equal to minus, this is given in the question as 1 over root 3, okay? So these cancel. That's 3u at the bottom. Let's bring that up. So I get from there P minus Q is equal to minus 3U. Let's check that. Yep, that's right. Then I have my two equations. Let's add. This plus this gives me 3P is equal to minus 3U. P is equal to minus U. Q is equal to minus 2P. So minus 2P is going to be 2U. So Q is 2U. Okay, so the question, what's the question actually asked for? It asks the speeds afterwards, right? So speed speed, we need to work out the Pythagoras theorem, don't we? So afterwards here, this is now, so just follow me on the page if you can, guys. I'm going to pick back up here. P, so minus U I plus U J, okay? Now we need to have a scalar quantity here now, so let's go, we'll have, that's going to be U minus U squared plus U squared square rooted, so it's 2U squared, square root of 2 squared, which is U root 2. Okay, so that's the speed of the 2m1. For the other one, we got Q is 2m, no, sorry, Q is 2U, so this is 2U I minus 2U J. Okay, so you just square that out then, running out of space here now. 2U squared plus minus 2U squared. So you get 8U squared. Sorry guys, follow me here now. Square rooted, which is the same as, look at square root of 4 times 2 times U squared. So square root of 4 is 2. Square root of U squared is U. So we've got 2U can come outside the square root. 2U root 2. Now, let me just check, that's what it asked for. Find the speed of the spheres after impact. Yeah, so we've answered the question there. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Okay, if you get really bored, you can try the next question because it's on the similar vein as this one. Alright, talk to you next week. Enjoy the weekend.